Okay, today we'll do exercise 3.7, question number 7 and its second part. So again we have to solve these two equations and we are given with the coefficient as a, b, c, etc. and we have to solve for x and y. For solving x and y, again I'm telling you we have three methods. You can apply any of the methods. So I'm applying here the elimination method. For applying the elimination method, let's say this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So see here, the coefficient of x is a and the coefficient of x in second equation is
B.
and in elimination method we have to either eliminate the x variable or the y variable. So I'm going to just eliminate this x variable here, and for doing that I want to make these coefficient equal. Now these coefficient will be equal. How it will be possible? If I multiply equation 1 by b and equation 2 by a. Right? So after multiply equation 1 by b and equation 2 by a, we get, can you tell me what we get if I multiply the whole equation with b? Yes, it will be, multiply it with b, abx plus
b square y.
b into b is b square y equals to
bc.
bc. Right? In the same way, what will be the second equation then? After multiplying it with a, we get,
BAX.
yes, abx or ba or ab is the same thing. A into
A square Y.
a square y equals to a into 1, a
plus c.
plus a into c,
ac.
ac. Now the coefficient of x are same here, so we just have to subtract these two equations, minus, minus, minus and minus. This will cancel out and take y common here. If you take y common, what do you get inside the bracket?
a square minus b square.
Very good. It's a square minus b square or b square minus a square? Check
b
it
square
again.
minus a square.
It will be b square minus a square, not a square minus b square. Get it? If you are taking y common, so from here you'll get b square and the sign of a square is now minus. So it will be minus a square. Right? Again, if I'm just looking here on the right side, it's bc minus a sorry, and minus AC. Okay, can you subtract these two or these two or these two, or add or subtract? Can you do anything here?
First and third.
No, we cannot. We can just take common C. Otherwise, we cannot add or subtract them because they are not the like terms. So I'm just applying, I'm just finding out the value of y from here. This will be BC minus A minus AC upon B square minus a square. This will be the answer for the y, right? And now if I want to get the value of x, I just have to put this value of y in equation number 1 or 2 and then solve it and get the value. We can get the value of x then. But because the value of y is very large, see here, the value of y is very big. That's why I'm not going to put it again in equation number 1 or 2. I just apply this elimination method once again, right? In the same way, just we have done here, we have making the coefficient, we had made the coefficient of x equal. In the same way, now this time we'll make the coefficient of y equal. Right? So first you just noted down the value of y and then we'll solve it for the x. Now I'm going to apply this elimination method again, and this time we'll have to make the coefficient of y same, right? So what we have to do here with equation 1 and 2, tell me a number so that I can multiply it with equation 1 and 2 so that the coefficient of y will come same.
A.
1 with A and 2 with
B.
B. Now if I multiply equation 1 by A and 2 by B, what we get? A into A.
A square A.
A square x plus
ABY
ABY
equal to AC.
equals to AC. And again in the same way, it will be B square x plus ABY equals to
B plus BC.
it will be B
plus BC.
plus BC, right? Now we have to change the sign because we want to cut this. So we have to change the sign by just subtracting the two equations. This is minus, minus, minus and minus. It will cancel out. And what do you get here?
A square minus B square.
Because x is common. So because x is common, so it will be a square minus b square equals 2. Nothing can be added or subtracted, so it will be same as it is. It is minus and minus. Okay, because I want to get the value of x, so x will be AC minus B minus BC upon is a square minus b square, and this will be the answer for x.